Good evening. Earth is called blue planet. This is because of the presence of larger amount of water. More than two-thirds of Earth is occupied by water. That is the reason why this is called blue planet. Now, if you look at the Earth, larger area is occupied by oceans and seas, and lots of marine life is living in those waters. But unfortunately, what is happening? We have a concept called pollution. So that is air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. So many things are there. At the same time, the oceans are also getting highly polluted. That is the reason why the marine life is getting affected. For example, if you look at one of the videos very recently I saw in one of the news channels, they caught the fish and they opened the fish and they found small pieces of plastic inside, meaning in the intestines of the fishes. So this is really very dangerous. Obviously, what happens that affected the lives of those marine animals, and also that will affect the life of the people. So when they eat those fish, and what should be done now? So you need to protect the oceans. That is the reason why, starting from the year 1992, the world started celebrating June 8th as World Oceans Day. June 8th is celebrated as World Oceans Day. So this is the day on which one need to create more awareness among the people to protect the oceans. So how do you protect the oceans? Protecting oceans is nothing but don't pollute it. For example, if you are living in Bombay or this Chennai or any other city, so where you have the coastal area, you can see lots of debris that is present on the coast. So this is because of the people throwing this garbage over there, and whatever the this water bottles, the wrappers, all those are being thrown into the waters. So obviously that is causing lots of pollution to our seas and oceans. It is not just happening in India; it is happening throughout the world. According to the latest estimates, according to the latest estimates, two countries are contributing. Two countries are contributing more than one third of the ocean water pollution. Right? Ocean pollution is caused by two countries, and that is more than one third of the total ocean pollution. And these two countries are China and Indonesia. So very severe one. And as far as the latest call of the entire world is concerned, we need to adopt a concept called 30 by 30, meaning by the year 2030, we are in the year 2020, so within 10 years, meaning by the time we reach 2030, that is 30, so by 2030, we need to protect at least 30% of the oceans. 30% of the ocean should be protected. So meaning so much of pollution is present, so much of debris is present over there. So this is the time that the entire world should act to protect the oceans. Otherwise, the future conditions will be really horrible, and that will be so dangerous for the marine life. Right? So now I would like to show you the document. Kindly have a look at this. Look at this. You know the answer for this. Just now I told you. Which of the following days is celebrated as World Oceans Day? Answer is June 8th. And option B is the answer. So look at this. So these are the marine animals nicely floating in the water. Right? And if you look at this, this is the pollution that is being caused because of the bottles, because of the plastic. Right? And we already understood in our earlier classes, many times we discussed regarding the this pollution that is caused by using the plastic. Okay, look at this. For 2020, the World Oceans Day is growing the global movement to call on world leaders to protect 30% of our blue planet by 2030. protecting 30% of our blue planet. Blue planet is nothing but that is the earth, and this critical need is called 30 by 30, meaning by safeguarding at least 30% of our ocean through a network of highly protected areas, we can help ensure a healthy home for all. Clear? I repeat, by safeguarding at least 30% of our ocean through a network of highly protected areas, we can help ensure a healthy home for all. Meaning we need to take a lot of care that oceans are should not be polluted. So the day is celebrated by the United Nations to highlight the role of the oceans in everyday life and inspires action to protect the ocean and sustainability use of the marine resources. And please remember, the World Oceans Day was first celebrated in the year 1992. Please remember. Look at this. What is the theme of World Oceans Day of 2020? And the theme is innovation for sustainable oceans. Innovation for sustainable oceans is the theme of 2020. Am I clear? And please remember, there are many questions that are appearing from this environment region in various examinations. Hence, you need to concentrate on this, right? Very recently, we have celebrated, this World Environment Day, right? And now we are discussing about the World Oceans Day, and all these days are important for the examination. It is not just remembering the days, but the importance of those days are also very important. Why they are being celebrated and what is the theme for each year, all these are important for the examination. Fine. So that's all for the day. I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you.